Find or read reviews that people are talking about FIDISP 62-inch car wash brush with long handle, microfiber car wash mop Chenille car cleaning kits. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Fantastic car wash brush kit. Car wash brush with long handle is a fantastic gift for car fans and enthusiasts. It comes with all car wash mop kits and keep your car's SUVs, trucks, and boat shiny and clean efficiently. You can get aluminum's poles X4, replaceable microfiber mitts X2, windshield cleaner pads X2, microfiber duster X1, microfiber towel X1. 62-inch car wash brush with long handle. The longest length is 62 inch, you can choose any length freely. The extendable car wash brush mop mitt with 180-degree rotation design makes you cleaning hard-to-reach areas with ease and less effort. When combined together, it turns into long-handle car wash mop, lightweight enough for a quick and funny car washing without scratches. Multipurpose microfiber duster. Flexible chenille detailing car duster, excellent on remove pollen and dust from your car without annoying lint. It is great to use for all vehicles like cars, RVs, trucks, and indoor for home use on window, bookcase, shelves, countertop, closet. 2 multifunctional window cleaner PDAS. The microfiber car wash mitt pads fitted with poles is great for car window, glass, door, mirror at home. Soft and absorbent microfiber brush mop pads remove water easily, definitely no streaks and no scratches. Easily dry the water on the high side of the car, truck, RV, bus. Absorbent towels. You also can get thick microfiber towel to wash cars, it is extra absorbent, scratch-free, lint-free. You can use it wiping exterior and interior of the car. Professional car towel is perfect for buffing and waxing. Additionally, all of microfiber car wash brushes set can be thrown into wash machine. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.